Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So with all the recent talk of Shiba Inu, I did want to do a TA on Doggy. I have been getting a lot of requests, and just in general, I wanted to give both tickers a little bit of love because Doggy definitely, was my favorite for a very long time. Like I was holding Doggy for years and years, right, for like 2 or 3 years, and I definitely made a pretty good chunk of change. Back when it initially when it did its run, right, I bought like at my very first couple I bought at 0.002, and then I didn't really put in a big position until like at 2 cents or something. um or point zero, I don't remember when, but I did pretty okay. But what I wanted to actually go into is Doggy right now, and I wanted to see the actual movement that it can do. It actually looks like it's gonna go up though. I mean, to be honest, it actually closed a bullish day, on October 16th, and right now I think it's on its way up. I am currently in a long on my forex account on Doggy. I do think that it's gonna that I do think it's gonna run to the upside. You have too many things going for it right now. You actually have the daily is already closed a bullish day, right? It closed it yesterday officially, and then on the weekly, you do have extreme signs of us closing a bullish week, possibly. Unless we have a pretty crazy move in the next 11 hours, I doubt that we close bullish on the weekly, possibly next week. But I do see shorter term, I do see it running up. I mean, we did close a bullish week, oh, sorry, a bullish day yesterday, and then also the 4 hour looks like it's about to close bullish too. But recently, you haven't really seen big pushes on Doggy on the upside on the 4 hour, so it's really only been what? Let me see if I can kind of get a quick idea of what these pushes are on the touches. What, like like 1 cent runs? Really? I mean, how big can this be? Yeah, see, they've all been pretty consistent on the peak lows, right? And if I had to guess from here, I'd probably say because it's touching the EMA in what, like 16 hours? Let's go like that, like 18. Like if we were doing this correctly in the next, yeah, everything is 16 hours. So when were these lows created? So this was actually on trend touch. I mean, or trend touch or the low. So if we think that right now we've actually created a floor right here, right at like 0.235, 234, whatever, then I do think we're headed up to about 25, and that would be actually perfectly touching trend right now, or like the downtrend from the upside. Um, do I think it can break that? 100%. I think it definitely can break that 100%. I think it's definitely set up to break trend and go to the upside. But again, it has to break support at 24.25. You have to start closing candles above this to actually run up, and you still have a trend up here, right? So what I wanted to do so on the daily, you actually have a pretty big, you have pretty consistent trend right now going to the upside. Well, not consistent, but the good thing is you actually broke relative highs from recent highs of September 14th, right? You actually broke these relative highs. You went up and touched trend, came back down on trend, and then I think right now we're gonna run up possibly to like 20, like 0.252, somewhere in this area, right? If that actually ends up breaking, you might actually run to the upside all the way up to 30, or you might run, come back and retest, and then shoot up, right? There's a lot of things that can happen right now. Personally, I'm bullish on Doggy. I'm already in a long position, as you guys can see here, right? This is already my long position right there. I'm in on Doggy at point what? What is my buy-in? I'm in on Doggy at 0.235. So I'm in profit very little. But I do see us running to the upside, especially because the daily is bullish and then the 4 hour is bullish also. So I'm trying to just kind of gauge to see how much we can actually run to the upside. I'm thinking we might go up and hit trend like right here. So I'm thinking if it does run up, you might throw a wick up here at like 25.2, 25.3 or something. And then you might like see it come down like that. So something like this, maybe, possibly in the next couple of hours, maybe something like, I don't know, something like this, and then maybe come back down. I don't know, something like that can happen. For the most part, I am bullish right now on doggy. But will it? I don't think I don't think it would hit 30. I don't think it's going for 30 cents. I don't think that's gonna be where it's gonna headed. It's gonna be headed unless there's like a tweet from Elon Musk or something. But like I said, I am bullish on doggy right now. I do think it's gonna run up, but keep in mind it has to break support, has to break trend, and once that trend actually gets broken, then I do think um, it's gonna be a pretty good not straight shot, but it's gonna be a pretty good chance that we hit 29-30 cents or so up here. So keep in mind, gotta break resistance, gotta break resistance here, gotta break trend resistance, and then once that trend resistance gets broken, probably run up, retest, and shoot up, or you just shoot up all the way, or you just end up like trading sideways for a little bit, but then come up. But there's like a 90% chance you're going. There's like you're going 29-30 cents if both resistance and trend resistance gets broken, right? That's really to keep it very, very, very simple. If we actually break resistance and we break trend resistance, there's like a pretty big chance. Like I'm almost 100% positive that we're gonna run up here. Like I doubt that it runs up here and then it shoots all the way back down. No, you broke resistance, you broke trend. More than likely you're gonna hit over here. So I would definitely take another buy, another long, right, like around this area if it does get broken, and possibly hold a little bit longer to 30 cents because I think it will touch that. But as of right now, short term, I do think we're probably running up back to like 24, 25, 25 2 cents, whatever, around that area. Everything looks bullish right now on doggy, and currently, yes, I am in a long position. So, we'll see how this turns out. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Doggy's looking pretty good. Shiba, I have no idea where it is. I haven't seen it in a while. I know it's definitely still trading at like 25 microcents or something. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot of things that gotta get broken. Bitcoin is still bullish. Ethereum is looking not so bullish, honestly. Ethereum is actually looking pretty bearish right now. But Bitcoin, I'm pretty bullish. I do think it can still break all-time highs this weekend. There's just a lot of things going for it, and can it definitely trade sideways? 100%. It definitely can do whatever it wants, but I think there are plenty of confluences for it to actually break all-time highs. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.